Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we are cutting white oak for flooring, but we have to cut as much as we can before it starts pouring. It is calling for some really heavy rain, so we're going to be wrapping up at the log yard a little early before it starts because, yeah, we're made of sugar apparently. And so we don't have too much longer in the day before the rain starts. We're going to see how much we can get done. We're really only putting in like a half day here, but we have a lot more white oak to do. So I'll show you what we're doing over here, what we've got so far. We do have a couple different piles with different dimensions. It's all 1.1 inches thick, but this one's like our 10-inch pile. We have a 12-inch pile, and then the boss called this morning and he wanted us to try and get 13.5 wide, which is pretty wide, honestly. And that's this pile right here. Gorgeous stuff, but I would have to say the mill struggles to cut that wide. You would think with a nice new blade, plenty of water running on it, and a diesel engine that it wouldn't struggle quite as much as it does, but I really feel like I have to cut very, very slow. Any faster and the blade will literally just stall. And then it's not pretty when that happens. The belts literally like smoke. Like then it's like smoke just poofs up, and then you have to replace the belts, and it's not fun. We don't like to stall the blade. You don't want to be doing that. So yeah, nice and slow, but then you get these chatter marks in it, which it's not going to matter for the flooring. I mean, they're going to be planing it anyways, but yeah, it's not the funnest thing to cut really nice and wide like that. The rest of the logs though here are not that wide, so that's probably it for the 13.5 stuff for the day. But we do want to try and bust some more out because honestly, our dad is probably going to look at what we've gotten done so far with a little bit of disappointment. So we need to get back to milling and bust some more of this out before it starts pouring. Flooring before it's pouring. Oh my gosh, you guys, if it rhymes, it must be true. That's how this works. All right, Delona, come on. Let's get to work. Come on. It is starting to rain, so we got cleaned up just in time. The sawdust does not want to move once it gets wet, so you always want to make sure that all machinery is cleaned up before it starts raining, otherwise you're just into a mess. But we are all lined up for tomorrow with the deck full of yet more white oak that the boss just came from the log site with. So we have that ready to go for in the morning, and we are going to pretty much have it done, have the order filled by the end of the day tomorrow. But then of course we have the flitches that we need to do. So by the end of the week, the order will be done. It's usually for like 4 lifts, like that size. So yeah, we have almost 2 done, so we need 2 more to go. But yeah, that's the rest of the week is pretty much planned out. That's what we're going to be doing. And even though the mill doesn't just move through the white oak quite as smoothly as the hemlock or pine, I still really enjoy cutting it. It's a nice switch up, and I always enjoy seeing the beautiful ray fleck that you get with white oak that you just don't get with softwoods. So yeah, with that being said, I'll leave you guys here. Hopefully everybody is staying dry over this rainy season. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.